Distributor network update. We have been inundated with so many inquiries into becoming a distributor for Just Autos. It's a privilege to think that so many people want to join our team, and it's very humbling. So far, we've got More Power here today, finishing off their training. We have other companies like Hunter coming through very shortly to do theirs. And by this stage next year, we'll have around about 12 companies around Australia that we're working towards at the moment, and we're slowly rolling them out. I want to talk a bit about what is happening with the Distributor Network and how it affects you guys, the customers, and give you a bit of an understanding on how we do things a little bit differently with how this rolls out. So if you're a customer and you're in South Australia and you want your 300 series done, or any of your toys for that matter, and you want us to carry out a package on that car, you're more than welcome to ring our guys. They can take care of any of your questions and queries, and then what they will do is take a booking deposit, and then we will get in contact with More Power and we'll get you guys connected and then make a booking. The car will go in there. We support them with the whole package from the very start and then the tuning in the end to give you guys that satisfaction. If you have any concerns about your package that you have bought, you can come back to More Power or you can come back to us and we're more than happy to answer those questions. So it's not a franchise, it is literally an extension of us. It comes down to the right morals, and that's what I've been chasing. It's not about the fancy workshop, it's not about having a lot of money. It's about making sure that they're the right person to ensure that you guys get what I want is the best for you. This time next year, you'll basically be able to get our packages within any state of Australia and done the way that we want it. So More Power is here at the moment. They've been here for 3 days already. They'll be here for another day after that. And some of the training, I just wanted to briefly touch on what they are doing. We start off with a whole lot of range of different sections that we go through. First thing is a customer experience, about customer service. We also go through a whole product line of ordering parts, what the parts are, how to fit those products, common problems, and then we move into the dyno where we've got tuning, looking at the data logs, understanding data, and going through this. These companies already have such valuable information. We're not teaching them too many things they don't already know, but we're teaching them a certain way that we want to do it, and they're picking up on these things and they know what they are doing, and this is one of the reasons why we're picking these guys. When we put our name out there, we want to ensure that it's solid and that you guys experience the best possible service and the best possible product out there.
A lot of product out there, but we sort of wanted to move with the guys that are at the pinnacle of what they believe in and what they do. Fitting the products, well, it's been seamless. We have had no issues with it, and it's been just professional right from the start.
All right, so a lot of people ask, who's tuning my car with a Just Autos package? Is it us that are doing it? Is it, one of our distributors? And the short answer is, Just Autos is tuning the vehicle. However, it doesn't take all the glory and we take all the credibility and responsibility for it because it's working both ways. We have the EasyTune platform where we can use that, and the guys that will data log and they'll do it on the dyno and they'll make sure the car is right. If there's concerns where the files need to be adjusted and trimmed to suit, we have this communication where we can adjust these files to suit and we get the car to work out well. So you can rest assured that we are doing your car, right? And it is getting checked, and we are making sure it's getting checked correctly, and we have the data to prove it, and that's the most important thing, is having that data.
So to get on board with the EasyTune, it's seamless. You log on, you can receive and data log. So it's got all in one.
This is the amazing thing about EasyTune. They can view a data log on a car live, and they can share that data log with me in my laptop, and I get it within a few seconds of that car being done, and I can check with them where we have this communication. We can say, hey, everything looks on target, we're all okay, and we can integrate that into our inspector as well, which is a very quick way of looking through a lot of data and understanding that everything is good. That can be used anywhere in the world. If we come up with a new update, we're always evolving. If you're within that 6-month period of having something done with us or one of our distributors, we update your car for free. If you're an existing customer that is looking to do an update, there is a small fee, but we will definitely look after you if you would like to update into a later version. We are always continually developing and trying to do better, so we're coming up with a whole lot of range of new features that we add in continually, but we wanted to really make sure that we can look after you guys, and that is through our distributor network as well. So it's not just here, but it's through those guys. So if you want to do that, please get in contact with either us or them and we can arrange that for you. If you're interested in becoming a distributor for Just Autos, please don't hesitate. Send us an email. We can send you an application form. Please fill it out. We'd be happy to have a chat to you and start a relationship.